They're all in line. They're off in the Joseph A. Gimma, and Filibustin comes out strongly from the inside. Out for the lead with Twist and Shout, away with some early speed, too. Ribbonite now goes up on the outside and grabs second up the backstretch. A length and a half back, and then comes Ransom Drop on the far outside, followed by Bliss to You, who's down at the rail. Then Code Red, Iron Miz, and Paz the Bourbon. Break of another 2 lengths more back to Tis Now Smile, who's about 7 lengths off the lead here. Strawberry Tequila next on the outside, and then comes Christening, and at the back of the pack is about that base at 22 3/4. There's a half mile to go. Filibustin 3/4 of a length ahead of Ribbonite. Outside of them, Ransom Drop tracks the leaders, running in 3rd position. Paz the Bourbon goes up 4 wide in 4th. On the rail, it's Bliss to You in 5th. Iron Miz follows in 6th. Code Red 7th on the outside. Tis Now Smile is 8th after a 46 3/2 mile, and Tis Now Smile is looking to get into the race, about 5 lengths off the lead here, and now being ridden to go as they come to the top of the stretch. Filibustin turning for home in front. Filibustin by 2. Ribbonite on the outside 2nd. Paz the Bourbon is 3rd. Tis Now Smile is moving on the outside. Down toward the inside, it is Bliss to You. Iron Miz splits horses too, but in the meanwhile, Filibustin has moved away here. And Filibustin and Jose Lezcano are looking good. They're going to win the Joseph A. Gimma by 5. Over Tis Now Smile, Iron Miz, and Bliss to You was 4th. The final time was 1 minute 24.38 seconds. A strong win for this New Jersey shipper, Filibustin, in the Joseph A. Gimma.